If you want to record your screen and turn it into a stunning video without spending hours on it, I've got the perfect workflow for you. Whether you're a SaaS team creating product demos, an educator building course content, a support team documenting workflows, a video editor who's clearly lied on their resume, or anyone else, I'll show you how to record your screen and edit it on one platform. So, let's get started. We'll begin by recording our screen. Let's head over to web.clueso.io and click on the record screen button. A proceed to install button pops up, which redirects us to the installation page where we can add the extension to our browser. Once installed, you can pin it so it's right there, perfectly visible whenever you're ready to record. But before we do that, there are a few powerful customizations you can make. First, you want to pick if you want to record with audio or just your screen, and you can change those settings right here. While screen recording, you might want to highlight your mouse clicks. Toggling this option helps you do just that. You can customize the color of the pointer as well. Just change the color to match your brand by pasting the hex code here. Once you know what you want to record, you can choose whether you want to capture your entire screen, a window, or just one tab. We don't need to see the 50 others open since April. There's also aspect ratios to choose from, like 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. You can also have a custom view by simply dragging the screen, and the new dimensions will reflect automatically. If your screen has sensitive information or you want to hide something, you can blur elements before you even begin recording. So go hide contact details, client information, or your crypto losses by simply clicking them once, and unblur by clicking again. You can switch to navigate and go to other screens you wish to show in your recording and blur elements the same way. So let's say I'm on this tab and there's sensitive data here. I select and blur it. Now, when I switch back to this screen while recording, the blurred sections stay that way. You can also adjust the blur intensity in the settings. Okay, so now you must navigate your cursor and simultaneously deliver all your lines perfectly, which is quite impossible. And that's fine. Just begin recording and have as many awkward pauses as you want. Heck, you could even just ramble. So today, let me show you how to book a place. You start here on the home page. Shh, I'm trying to record. And then you're gonna search for where you wanna go. Let me search for Barcelona. As soon as you're done screen recording, you'll be redirected to your project where a rewritten script is ready based on your screen's visuals and audio. You'll also see an automatically generated intro, outro, and appropriate visual effects added to the video, all of which you can edit end to end and add more manually. Let's say you want to experiment with your script. The AI rewrite tool lets you do that with just one click. There you go. Now, all you have to do is generate an AI voiceover that perfectly delivers this new and refined script. Just pick an AI voice from the library. There are plenty of options. For my demo, I want someone that sounds expressive yet calm. Let's try Allison.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am going to talk about the book, The Secret.
Sounds like she'd give a great TED talk, so I'm gonna pick her. Right, to bring her to life, all we need to do is click Generate Speech, and her delivery is automatically synced perfectly with the video.
We're at the homepage of Airbnb. We'll go to search destination, then search Barcelona.
To further humanize the voiceover, you can also add emotion tags in square brackets right before a sentence.
Okay, so we're at the homepage of Airbnb. We'll go to search destination, then search Barcelona.
Okay, now let's add captions for your attention deficit audience. Just click captions. You can also pick a style and edit it to match your brand's theme. And it's done. Just like that.
So we're at the homepage of Airbnb. We'll go to search destination, then search Barcelona.
And we are done. We learned how to screen record using the Clueso extension, customize our highlight clicks, learned how to blur before recording, and made edits end to end by adding visual effects, refining our script, generating an AI voiceover, and adding captions. All of this in just a few minutes. You can find the link to Clueso in the description below so you can give this a shot for yourself. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next one.